No, it doesn't.
They're actually being nice. It's because Dad's there. Hi, today is December the 13th. Gotta count. And I just dropped off my paper for one of my classes, and now I'm going home, and sorry, it's good. I'm going home and gonna start finishing, finish my other paper, and I don't know, see if we can find something interesting, because I know these have been kind of blah. So, just gonna go find something to do. I'm just really out of it. Duckies! Duckies! Can't come in the kitchen. Scratch. What's up, Sam? Don't. Sleepy. You want to go outside, Sammy? Is that it? Yeah? Outside? You too, Rusty? How about that? Okay. Hold on. Let me unlock the door. Sheesh. Okay, Rusty, open the door. Oops. Look what you did, Rusty. You knocked down the brake. Oh, blah. Rusty! And Sammy Duckface. Sammy! Oh, look on the lens. Okay. I don't know, should I let you out? You two deserve to go out. Were you good boys? Yeah? Oh, now you're sitting. No? Yes? No? Rusty. You're gonna sit? You gonna be a good boy? Yeah? Your ear's still bothering you, isn't it? Okay. Sammy, you wanna come? Do. Puppy power. That's it? You're done already? Rusty. Okay. Enough puppies. I'm going inside and working on this. My last paper. Busty! Are you done? Are you ready to come inside? You want to come in? Yeah? Whew. Mosquitoes. Shook your butt too, huh? You want your water? Yeah. Good. And the beagle's done now too. You want to come in, Sammy? Are you done? Yeah? You want to come in? Yeah, look at that. You want your water? Yeah. Sit down. Stay. Stay. Go. There's a kibble. You boys gonna behave, right? You gonna be the boys? This is Rusty's bedroom. You didn't like anybody else in there, right? No. Wag, 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 wag. Rusty's toy. Yeah, take it away from him because he kept annoying everybody. You're a big baby, aren't you? Yeah. No, I think you are. And there's little Sammy. Little punk. Are you guys done yet? You want to go inside? No. You should, though. I have stuff I gotta do. Yes. Stinky husky. I'm gonna get eaten alive out here. But I'm gonna leave you guys out here. You just leave. You go, boys. Do this so Sammy doesn't bother you.